My name's Malyan, welcome to Redhills, the Durham Miners' Hall, home of the Durham Miners Association since it was built in 1913, opened in 1915, and now home to Redhills, the charity that was established to act as stewards for the incredible heritage of the Durham coalfield. At the moment, what you can mostly see is the sort of protection works. So this is to ensure that the historic fabric of the hall is safeguarded while all of the work's going on. Typically, you might have seen the miner's head sculpture here in the past, but that's going to now be the new doorway from the extension directly into the hall. So you can see the sort of the exterior of what we're building, the extension. So you have the new accessible entrance and then the sort of cafe bar area, and this has all been done in materials that are designed to demonstrate the difference between the old and the new, the historic and the extension. This is the Pitmen's Parliament as you've never seen it and as you'll never see it again. When I first started working at Redhills, there was a heating surcharge if you wanted to meet in the hall in the winter. The amount of gas it took. You had to have it on for 2 days before the event started, which meant it was more than £60 just to have the gas on. So the ground source heat pump scheme that we're introducing will mean that we have sustainable and affordable heat. This entire project started with the past we inherit, the future we build. And I think that's the thing, that the past we inherit is fixed, but the future we build needs to be responsive to what comes next and the challenges of the day. And we have to make of it what we can to ensure that future generations can see themselves here, that future generations understand that this is their inheritance, but it's also their future to shape.